Hello traders, today is 24th of October, Thursday 2019, and I would like to share with you today's trade analysis. Just to let you know, all these analyses are intraday analysis with a live RD squawk support. I just want to give you a little bit demonstration today how I do analysis just before. This is, by the way, is the recording of the live analysis just before the London morning session. I do analysis live. As you can see, the pattern of the analysis is, first of all, we look at the what are the fundamentals possibilities that's going to be driving the volume in the market, and then I basically look at what are the technical levels that's going to support us in order to basically find the good potential possibility opportunities. And then I do all these 12 major currency pairs. So once I do all this analysis live, I explain each and everything. And then another session is basically I look at all the analysis which I have done it to look at if the opportunities is going to raise based on this analysis alongside with all my traders. Then I broadcast that information straight away through audio squawk support into the platform. All right, so that you can see all this analysis we did live, and including the fundamentals. And now I'm going to show you all the best analysis we had it, and we had such a wonderful trade today, both sessions at London and the New York session. Okay, so this one is a pound dollar. I explained that these are the level because if you look at it, the base of the momentum, we were expecting bullish breakout, which I mentioned. You can see these two levels I mentioned, price possibility of price going to create develop a pullback opportunity. As you can see, the price nicely developed an opportunity, and as soon as the price cross above the previous high, we mentioned to look for the trade. And as always mentioned that our final first target would be the next fib channel. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target on pound dollar. Pound yen, same again. As you can see, we had a small consolidation just before London Open. And you can see 723 I mentioned to wash this breakout. And based on the momentum, I always explain into the platform. If I look for the long breakout, as you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target, and we said as soon as we see some reversal, it's time to bank some profit. Same thing on pound Swiss franc and euro USD. As I mentioned on this analysis, I explain each and everything due to the fundamental possibility of breakout. As you can see, based on the momentum, we had a beautiful long breakout opportunity. Euro yen, again, as based on this analysis, as you can see, mentioned beautiful pullback long trade, price nicely hit to the first target. uh, Pound yen, as you can see, we had this breakout, and after that, once we hit the target, and then I explained to my trader we need to wait for another valid patterns to be developed. So as you can see, when the price came to, it was reversing it, so I draw another pattern. As you can see, this is a triangle pattern, and I explained to my traders that if possibility price might going to pull back, and that's why the beauty of a flex candle pattern. As you can see, these candles, we haven't seen any candle is performed, and that's give us the significant information that possibility of the price going to break this one, but we need a proper confirmation. As you can see, the price definitely look like broken this support, and if you look at the bottom, the bearish momentum was developing. The risk rewards point of view was very fantastic trade here. As you can see, after that, we mentioned to hold that trade because based on the price action, we mentioned this, it was we will consider this one as a false breakout, and always when there's a false breakout, we can see the price going to be going into other direction. That's why that created a false breakout. We had such a beautiful rally on pound yen. We'll see other analysis later. Pound dollar, beautiful. We were expecting here, as mentioned, that first priority we should be looking a pullback here. We haven't seen any green candle, and Oswald mentioned that if we see the price false breakout, and based on the price action, we mentioned that the price going to reverse, so we took a short trade here, and we explained that the very tight stop loss, and after that we haven't seen any green candle. and the price nicely hit 200 EMA, and then we announced it's time to bank some profit. Pound Swiss frame, same again. You can see this is the area we mentioned that if the price is going to reverse, so we should be looking the breakout of this orange EMA in order to take a long trade. And we also mentioned this area, you can see, and price nicely broke on the support, and beautiful short trade again on pound Swiss franc. And after that, and at the New York session open, we mentioned that the price created another small consolidation. So we should be looking a breakout of this consolidation. And as you can see, based on the momentum, the price nicely hit to the first target and broken this resistance. And we mentioned as soon as the price tries to reverse, it's time to consider banking some pips. Pound dollar, same again. You can see this was the counter trade again. Beautiful breakout trade. We mentioned possibility of pullback, but we haven't seen any red candle. Nicely broken and price nicely hit to the profit target. Dollar CAD, as you can see, based on this analysis, beautiful pullback short trade. Euro yen again, you can see we had this first analysis, we made a few pips at that time, and after that basically price created another triangle pattern and a beautiful breakout based on the momentum short trade. Euro USD, as you mentioned, we had this trade in the morning, and after that, as I always mentioned, we should be looking to price to perform another pattern price action. As you can see, this was the beautiful triangle pattern and beautiful short trade on Euro USD. Aussie dollar, again, this was the triangle pattern and beautiful breakout. First target hit, we announced to bank some pips, and when the price create another pullback, we announced to take another short trade, and beautiful price nicely hit to the another final target. Beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar. Dollar Swiss franc, this was a pretty straightforward, as you can see, consolidation breakout, long trade. Pound Swiss franc, again, this was the beautiful and breakout. As you can see, we had this is the support area at that time. So we had this one breakout. We mentioned to look for confirmation, and you can see price nicely confirmed. And after that, we announced another short trade of the wedge breakout based on the momentum. We always mention based on our flex strategy. We mention as long as the momentum is bearish, trend is bearish, every pullback when the price touched this orange EMA, would we consider that one as a potential trade towards the momentum and the trend. As you can see, beautiful two short trades. Pound dollar, as you can see, we had this breakout. As I mentioned the previous analysis, the first target hit. Then we said now it's time to wait to price create another pattern. If you look at the price created another triangle pattern, I said now we should be looking a breakout of this pattern. Price nicely broken even after broken and retest, and then we announced that based on the momentum and based on the fundamental reason for the cable, we mentioned every pullback would be a consider as a potential short trade. As you can see, we announced three more short trades based on the momentum. Beautiful short rally today we had on cable. Pound yen, again, pretty straightforward. You can see after that the price created another pattern. This was the breakout, and then we announced another short trade on the pullback. We said because due to the fundamental reason and the trend and the momentum, we can see a beautiful rally. We had it every pullback wedge breakout. You can see this was the breakout. This was the breakout, and this was the again is a wedge breakout based on the momentum. A beautiful short trade. Today we had it on pound yen. New Zealand US dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum, and after that price even retest that level. Beautiful another short trades on New Zealand US dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout, and we announced another long trade as soon as the price gonna break this another fib channel and previous high, and as you can see the price nicely hit to the final target based on the momentum. We had a beautiful two long trades on euro pound. All right guys, that's it for today. And if you would like to see all these analyses in real time with a live audio support, feel free to join our team at forexeasytrades.com. Thank you for watching this video. And tomorrow is Friday. We'll see how the market is going to react. But I'll come back with tomorrow analysis. Have a nice day. Bye bye.